Mitsubishi Delica L400 space gear, and this Delica is losing windshield washer fluid. It leaks. Pump works, but if you filled up a windshield washer reservoir, it will get empty and will leave a puddle on the ground. I have no idea where it's leaking. Let's find it out and get it fixed. Let's get started. If you're first time to the channel, take a second to subscribe. Very appreciating that. Let's fill this one up and see where fluid will come out. This is just the water we'll put it in to find the leak. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, concerns, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. We'll all learn from each other. Alright, it's taking a whole job. It's empty. Sure, yeah. 4 liters. While waiting for a leak to show up, let me show you how windshield washer reservoir looks like on the Delica. This is a filler cap. Here's a neck which is under the hood. This part attaches to the tank itself, and this bottle is behind the fender inside, and you have a wheel well cover on the bottom here, and the pump sits behind. Here's a rubber grommet, and yeah, quite a few places where it's technically can start leaking. It have a crack around the edge of where it was glued. Upper and lower parts of the tank can be a leak from the grommet where the neck attaches. It just bolts through the fender like that, and it can be a leak from the grommet where the pump. Don't know. We'll find it out. But this is how it looks like. This windshield washer tank. I found the leak. As you probably notice, this vehicle equipped with headlights sprinklers. I pulled the wheel well cover off with a bunch of plastic clips with the Phillips screws and some 10mm bolts, and let me turn my flasher on. As you can see here, the front of the windshield reservoir is a pump for the sprinklers, and the pump itself is leaking. As you can see, it's dripping. It's dripping straight from the pump. Yeah, I don't have a replacement pump at the moment. The tank is not leaking, which is good. And this tank came from the Delica without this front sprinklers. And what I'm going to do, because replacing a tank a little bit to work, and I still want to get my headlight sprinklers back to life when I will find the pump. I will just probably find the plug that hole, pull the pump out, and yeah, it should be the fix. Instead of undoing the intercooler, pulling the batteries out, pulling to the side the coolant reservoir, get the neck removed, then yeah, the tank is not an issue, which is good. We only have leak from the sprinklers pump. Here we go. I pull the headlights sprinkler pump off, and also I remove the grommet, and this is our diameter. We'll find a plug, and for now we'll just plug the hole and keep that pump like that, and eventually I have to find the pump because this pump is leaking, and yeah, we'll find a replacement one and get those sprinklers fixed. I found the cap, a rubber cap from the brake bleeder valve, and it fits tight and snag inside the hole, and yeah, perfect. They made for each other, and it's a rubber and rubber, and they sealed. Yeah, I'll put it back, filled up water, and I hope it won't leak, and should be a temporary fixed. Plug is ready. I will spray a little bit of silicone based lubricant to make the plug slide in easily. Okay, I got a pump pulled out, just dump in the water to our left, and then we have to plug the hole. There's the pump. One was leaking, and yeah, chronometer there. All right, plug is in. Let's fill it up with water and check for leaks. Let's pour the water and see what will happen. I hope it will be the fix for now. We don't need to open it up, just enough to see. Okay, let's go and check it out. Is it dripping or not? It's not dripping, it's sealed, which is good. Alright, that was easy. It was a cheap fix. No parts needed almost for now. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh well. Eventually I would like to get the sprinklers back to life. I'm glad it's not leaking. It won't leave the puddle on the parking lot, and like now I can use my windshield washer, and pump works and it sprinkles. All good. Oh well, let's turn the key on and spray a little bit. Oh yeah. Yep. Good enough. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below as usual. Yeah, take care and see you soon.